Hey there everyone, it's MJ and you're at my channel called Planning This Life, where we talk pens, planners, and productivity. Today I want to do a product review with you for a new pen case that I got, and it's the best thing ever. Stay tuned. All right, so this is it. Hello, Japanese Stationery. You had me at hello. This is the SMA-STA, S-M-A-S-T-A pen case. This is what it looks like. Soft, lined. You open it, and this bends forward, and there's your pens. And it sits flat. And you can tuck your phone in here. I have little... These are friction. You know I like my Pilot friction. These are little Pilot friction, little emoji stamps. Mostly has the weather. So we have the sun, clouds, rain, and then we have a heart, and there's a star too. But you could stick your phone in here, and then all of your pens are right here. And you can put little stuff in here. And then when you're done, and there's a magnet. This is magnetized. And it's strong too. Ooh. Satisfying. When you're done, lay it flat, stand it up, whatever. To die for. Put it in everyone's stocking this Christmas. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. I will leave a link to this down below. This is an affiliate link, so if you click on it, I will get a little kickback. You don't have to. I signed up to be an Amazon affiliate, so I'm going to put it out there. But you don't have to. You could just Google and get it on your own or whatever. But it's lovely. It's lovely. It comes in a bunch of different colors. This is the closest to my color that I liked. And there is on the inside, just so I could show you this too. There is plastic up here, which keeps the shape. If you wanted to take that out, you can. So I have in here my fine liners. I have a white marker. I have some Tombow pens. I have my father's fountain pen that I've been using every day, and it's amazing. And I have the Sarasa 0.04 gel pen, which has no smudge whatsoever. It's beautiful. Keep them all in there. And then when you're done, it's tough. It's a strong magnet. And that's it. And then you put it away. All right, enjoy that. Happy shopping. Let me know, what are you obsessed with right now with office supplies, stationery, Japanese office supplies? Let me know. I would really be interested to find out. All right, everyone, take care, and I will see you soon.